Folks, good morning and welcome back to another video. Today's job is a 2020 Volkswagen Polo GTI. Now this is a GPF model, so it's the first for us. We've never worked on one of these as of yet. We've not done anything exhaust on a GPF model GTI Polo. We are doing a back box delete today. We don't know what difference it's going to make. It makes a nice difference on the old ones, not too much, nice and subtle, gives you a nice sound, but it's not overpowering. On a GPF model, I'm expecting it to be quieter, but who knows, we haven't done one yet. So, give you a quick before, and then let's crack on, let's see what difference it makes. So as you can hear, before, there's pretty much nothing there whatsoever, like the tiniest little bit. Let's do a back box delete and let's see what it sounds like next. So here's the standard mid-res, and here is the GPF, the one that ruins all the fun. This is what a lot of the newer stuff has on them. Gasoline particulate filter, similar to a diesel one, designed to catch particulates but also kills all the noise. Let's chop back box off. See what it sounds like, shall we? Right, back box delete all done then. Let's see what it sounds like. Go for it. Well, I think this lass is going to be very, very happy with that. That sounds absolutely spot on. Pretty subtle, couple of little pops and crackles, nothing too much. I'm impressed. That actually sounds better than the pre-GPF ones when you do a back box delete. Sounds nice. Right, we are doing a couple of little bits. We have got like a Maxton rear diffuser to bolt on there. Once we bolted that on, if I have got time, maybe we'll take it for a little rip up road, see what it sounds like off road. But just revving it, I'm really happy with that. That sounds spot on. Go on, get a couple more, Carl.